Introducing the Open Palm Podcast, hosted by Jerome Shaw. Available today on your favorite podcasting platforms, including Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Anchor.fm, and many more. The Open Palm Podcast, where the host engages his listeners with inspirational messages, motivating themes, and thought-provoking ideas. Topics include: make more mistakes, how much is your value, don't get right, get going, learning to let go, excellence is a habit, and more. Binge listen today. Subscribe today. It's getting excellent ratings. That's the Open Palm Podcast, hosted by Jerome Shaw. You can also find it on YouTube. Make sure you share it with your social networks and connect on Twitter and Instagram at Jerome Shaw. That's the Open Palm Podcast with Jerome Shaw. Available today on your favorite podcasting platforms. Go listen, download, and subscribe now.
Wu Wei, my friend. Wu Wei today. Lately, I've been going by the phrase Wu Wei today. I recently got myself a hammock, very portable hammock, from the Recreational Equipment Incorporated company. And this has been an awesome invention, this update in my life, this piece of technology that you can take anywhere you go. And everywhere you go. I've been going out into nature, out into the forest, setting up this hammock and just putting it from tree to tree and just being me, just enjoying myself, laying down in the hammock, sitting down in the hammock, sprawling out in the hammock, stretching out in the hammock, playing the flute in the hammock, reading books in the hammock, experiencing the sunlight peeking through the leaves in the trees, gazing up. And, of course, swatting away flies and mosquitoes, the occasional bite here and there. But it's just nothing compared to the peace of laying out, practicing Wu Wei. Wu Wei, the art of non-doing, or the art of not forcing. For in non-doing, nothing is left undone. Truly, doing nothing, all things are done. Nature never hurries, yet everything is accomplished. For a tree is not in a rush to become a tree, and yet the job gets done. All is accomplished in divine timing. All is well. Can you imagine, my friend? Know the yang, but keep to the yin. Know the white, keep to the black. The yin and yang energy, you know that there is a time for inhalation and exhalation. There's a time for yin, relaxation, rest, recuperation, recovery, rejuvenation, revival, rebirth, right? Just getting into that mode, synchronizing with nature. And then there's a time for yang, getting things done, getting after it, going after it, manifesting. Just conquering, right? Massive action. But the energy for the massive action and just getting all that stuff done is, we get that energy from that yin energy, the allowing, the releasing, the letting go. Yin. So, if there is an 80-20 rule for yin-yang, I would say 80% yin, 20% yang. Now, there are people, of course, that would disagree and think that you can go all yang and no yin, but there must be balance. And when we speak of balance, we don't necessarily all the time mean 50-50, but 80-20. You see, there can be a harmonious balance that will allow that energy that you've stored up in the moments of relaxation to flow into your art form, into your skill, into your craft, into your business, into your enterprise, into your company, into your work, into your life. Allow that inspiration, being inspired, being in spirit, to enter your body, using yourself as a conduit or as a channel to flow through you and be breathed back into the world. So, Know the yang. Keep to the yin. Make time for you. Make time for yourself. And always know that you can make time. Create time because you are a creator. Wu Wei today, my friend. The art of non-doing. Nothing is left undone. Thank you for listening, my friend. This has been Jerome Shaw on TOP, that is the Open Palm Podcast here in Live Oak, Texas. The open palm means harmony with the world, understanding our place in the world, using our skills accordingly, greeting the world with an open palm instead of a closed fist. I pray you received the kind message letting you know that it's okay to relax. It's okay to sit back and set sail, right? The wind may be crashing against the waves and against the ship, against the boat, but you don't have to fight the wind. You can put up your sail and allow the wind to take you where it wants to go. Instead of fighting it, use its energy to propel you forward. Know the yang. Keep to the yin. Share this episode with a like-minded individual, learning and growing, becoming their greatest version, just like you. Pay it forward so more can hear the message. And if this is your very first time receiving this podcast, definitely subscribe, my friend, for more inspirational messages like this. And if you feel compelled to support, consider opening your browser to anchor.fm/jshaw, supporting it there, clicking that little button, the support link button is much appreciated, my friend. Big shout out, big love, and big thank you to all the wonderful supporters who continue to donate and contribute to the podcast. Much love to you. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Stay blessed and take care, my friend. Hey there, my friend. So you've heard about Anchor, but do you know why it's the easiest way to make a podcast? Well, first off, it's free. It allows you to use creation tools that let you record your podcast right from your phone or computer. It also distributes your podcast for you so it can be heard on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and many more platforms. You can even make money from your podcast with minimum listenership. It's everything you need in one place. Download the free Anchor app today or go to anchor.fm to get started. Can't wait to hear yours. Let's see what you have to offer the world.